Good morning everyone, my name is Nicholas and today we'll prepare for you my Namjin salad. So first of all, let's prepare our vegetable. In this case we'll prepare some red cabbage. So we try to egalize our cabbage and dice very thinly. So we are making like a very thin julienne. After I will put my sugarloaf garbage. So we take out all the offcuts, cleaning the inside. And the same like red cabbage, we are making like a very thin julienne. Be careful with your hand if you have a sharpened knife and your finger. Alright, then let's step with the carrots. So I use my mandolin and I start to slice my mandolin. Be careful when you use the mandolin, if you have a protection it's better, because very slicey. Okay, my carrots are ready, I put on my bowl. And now it's time to the green pepper. For very freshness, so it's the same things, I use my mandolin to make it the more thinner possible. Alright, all my vegetables are done, let's put on the bowl, we try some local banana leaf for the garnish. So this salad is a perfect combination for our star dish, the barramundi. So in this case, I will put my Namjin dressing on my beautiful Namjin salad. 2 spoons. Let's start to mix our mixture. Very nice and fresh. Lot of texture on this salad. And I start to plate. Put all my salad on top. Let's finish with some snow pea sprouts for put a little bit of freshness. And here we go. Thank you so much and bon appétit.